good? My name is Ralph. I've been training here with the Beast Mode Chef for about a month now. And man, it's complete body change, man. My strength is going up. I'm eating good. Energy's up there, man. I'm doing crazy reps. I'm doing stuff I never thought I could do. Every time I go up in weight, man, the chef telling me, man, that's nothing. That's nothing. Don't worry, that's nothing. It's gonna come with it. Oh man, I did the online coaching stuff. I've been to a gym by myself. It ain't the same. It ain't the same. It's a complete transformation when you come here. You holler at the Beast Mode Chef. You got them plates for you, man. And you got them little spices on it, man. It's a done deal, man. I can't complain, man. I'm happy. My wife's happy. You know what I'm saying? So it's all good, man. Just come through, get a little sample, man. He gives some good appetizers. You know what I mean? So much love. You'll see me in a month. You'll see.